Hey, it's Juliet from WTI, and I want to talk about something that has been helping me breathe, and that's the Levoit 400S air purifier. We recently moved into a new place, and the bottom floor is around 700 square feet. So this unit was perfect for us. Right away, we noticed the air was just fresher and cleaner, and our breathing problems that we had been having in our previous apartment went away. So one day I decided that, I thought maybe it's not working that great. It never says that there's any particles in the air. But then my husband started to fry bacon and the numbers almost immediately skyrocketed. Like it sensed it. It was working and it turned red. And I thought that that was really cool and it gave me a little bit of peace of mind. It really does know. So while guys have been in and out of our new apartment, they've been using urethane and smelly things. This has really kept us breathing really well. So if you're looking for a great air purifier that's super easy to use, definitely give this one a try, and that's my point of view.